We call the heartland, not very smart land. IQs are very low, but threat levels are high. They got a mandate, they don't want mandates. They got so many hates of people to despise. In the dust bowl, cerebral black hole, the average weight is well over 200 pounds. I hate to generalize, but have you seen the thighs? Most haven't seen their genitalia in a while. Baby, that's why they're so scared of us. We've concerns other than pornography. Queers, transgens, and lesbians, vegans and vegetarians, all you brownies, red and yellow ones, come and join us on the coast. No longer svelte, they gotta punch new holes in the Bible Belt. They've blown out the fire under the melting pot. The red blood of America is starting to clot. No compromise, no sight through others' eyes. They're just flies spreading pieces of shit. You gotta emigrate, stop living in hate. What makes this country great